The starting grid for the EchoPark Automotive Grand Prix at Circuit of the Americas on Sunday, March 14th, at 1:30 p.m. Central Time. Starting 39th, in the number 10 Stewart-Haas Racing Rush Truck Centers Ford, from Las Vegas, Nevada, Noah Gragson. Starting 38th, in the number 43 Legacy Motor Club Family Dollar Toyota, from Byron, Michigan, Eric Jones. Starting 37th, in the number 66 Hill Motorsports Amtricity Ford, from Port Tobacco, Maryland, Timmy Hill. Starting 36th, in the number 6 RFK Racing Castrol 125 Years Forward Ford, from Rochester Hills, Michigan, Brad Keselowski. Starting 35th, in the number 22 Team Penske Shell Pennzoil Ford, from Middletown, Connecticut, Joey Logano. Starting 34th, in the number 71 Spire Motorsports Focused Health Chevrolet, from Huntington Beach, California, Zane Smith. Starting 33rd, in the number 31 Colleague Racing Circle Chevrolet, from Kannapolis, North Carolina, Daniel Hemrick. Starting 32nd, in the number 14 Stewart-Haas Racing Mahindra Tractors Ford, from Mitchell, Indiana, Chase Briscoe. Starting 31st, in the number 4 Stewart-Haas Racing Overstock.com Ford, from Hendersonville, Tennessee, Josh Berry. Starting 30th, in the number 47 JTG Daugherty Racing Palmolive Chevrolet, from Olive Branch, Mississippi, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Starting 29th, in the number 21 Wood Brothers Racing Motorcraft Quick Lane Ford, from Huntersville, North Carolina, Harrison Burton. Starting 28th, in the number 12 Team Penske Menards Jack Links Ford, from High Point, North Carolina, Ryan Blaney. Starting 27th, in the number 34 Front Row Motorsports Loves Travel Stops Ford, from Glendale, Arizona, Michael McDowell. Starting 26th, in the number 38 Front Row Motorsports Rudabush Ford, from Sherrills Ford, North Carolina, Todd Gilliland. Starting 25th, in the 5023 XI Racing Mobile 150th Anniversary Toyota, from Amagasaki, Japan, Kamui Kobayashi. Starting 24th, in the number 41 Stewart-Haas Racing Hasdueling.com Ford, from Berlin, Connecticut, Ryan Prix. Starting 23rd, in the number 15 Rick Ware Racing N29 Capital Partners Ford, from Westboro, Massachusetts, Kaz Grala. Starting 22nd, in the number 42 Legacy Motor Club Romco Equipment Company Toyota, from Mooresville, North Carolina, John Hunter Nemechek. Starting 21st, in the number 3 Richard Childress Racing Get Bioethanol Chevrolet, from Welcome, North Carolina, Austin Dillon. Starting 20th, in the number 17 RFK Racing Fastenal Ford, from Prosper, Texas, Chris Busher. Starting 19th, in the number 99 Trackhouse Racing Freeway Insurance Chevrolet, from Monterrey, Mexico, Daniel Suarez. Starting 18th, in the number 77 Spire Motorsports Delaware Life Chevrolet, from Portage, Michigan, Carson Hocevar. Starting 17th, in the number 48 Hendrick Motorsports Al I Chevrolet, from Tucson, Arizona, Alex Bowman. 16th, in the number 8 Richard Childress Racing Mark III Employee Benefits Chevrolet, from Las Vegas, Nevada, Kyle Busch. Starting 15th, in the number 5 Hendrick Motorsports HendrickCars.com Chevrolet, from Elk Grove, California, Kyle Larson. Starting 14th, in the number 13 Colleague Racing Leaf Filter Gutter Protection Chevrolet, from Los Gatos, California, AJ Allmendinger. Starting 13th, in the number 51 Rick Ware Racing Fraternal Order of Eagles Ford, from Winnemac, Indiana, Justin Haley. Starting 12th, in the number 16 Colleague Racing WeatherTech Chevrolet, from Auckland, New Zealand, Shane Van Gisbergen. Starting 11th, in the number 2 Team Penske Discount Tire Ford, from Mooresville, North Carolina, Austin Cindric. Starting 10th, in the number 2323 XI Racing Mobile 1 Toyota, from Mobile, Alabama, Bubba Wallace. Starting 9th, in the number 9 Hendrick Motorsports Napa Auto Parts Chevrolet, from Dawsonville, Georgia, Chase Elliott. Starting 8th, in the number 11 Joe Gibbs Racing Interstate Batteries Toyota, from Chesterfield, Virginia, Denny Hamlin. Starting 7th, in the number 19 Joe Gibbs Racing Bass Pro Shops Toyota, from Mayetta, New Jersey, Martin Truex Jr. Starting 6th, in the number 1 Trackhouse Racing Worldwide Express Chevrolet, from Alva, Florida, Ross Chastain. Starting 5th, in the number 7 Spire Motorsports Gainbridge Chevrolet, from Concord, North Carolina, Corey LaJoie. Starting 4th, in the number 20 Joe Gibbs Racing DeWalt Toyota, from Norman, Oklahoma, Christopher Bell. Starting 3rd, in the number 4523X, iRacing the Beast Unleashed Toyota, from Corning, California, Tyler Reddick. Starting 2nd, in the number 54 Joe Gibbs Racing Monster Energy Toyota, from Charlotte, North Carolina, Ty Gibbs. Starting on the pole, in the number 24 Hendrick Motorsports RaptorTov.com Chevrolet, from Charlotte, North Carolina, William Byron.